Yeah, I thought I'd better take a look at the car show that's going on right in front of my house. The new Sharon Spring Festival. So, let me check out some of the cars. How's it going? Not bad.
He mows 4 yards and then he started working for a mowing guy. Oh, yeah? The guy at church that has a mowing business, so he goes out, they call him. He goes out and helps the cemetery. Yeah, $10 an hour. 3 days work, he made $170. Yeah. It's hard to find good ones. Yeah. My old phone.
I shouldn't have said IDK. You know what IDK means?
Got Wi-Fi at home. We're out. Yeah. Yeah, he went to That's what I thought. Why would you? Well, yep. Yeah, right.
Thanks for coming out to the second annual Diggs Rod Shop Car Show. Diggs right out of Oskaloosa will set you up with anything you need. Classic cars for parts, for upholstery, for engine repair, and everything in between, wheel to wheel, cover to cover. They will get you set up. Also, make sure you stop by and check the big board, as there are still prizes out, and they want to make sure you get your prizes. Take your ticket over there, and People's Choice and Kids Awards. So make sure you stop by Diggs Rod Shop for People's Choice. Get your vote in right away, as I think they're going to be closing that down here in a little bit. All right, more coming up here in just a little bit.